National Electrical Code Article 110.26 addresses electrical equipment rooms. It states that electrical equipment rooms shall be dedicated to the electrical installation of utilization equipment. Electrical equipment rooms shall not be used for storage or other purposes. Article 380.6 concerns emergency power supply systems. It specifies that storage batteries shall be located in a room or vault ventilated to the outside air. These rooms involved shall have access from outside only, and the entrance shall be marked battery room. There is an exception to this rule. Storage batteries used to supply emergency lighting shall be permitted to be installed in closets or rooms that do not comply with the requirements for battery rooms or vaults, provided that the following conditions are met. Firstly, a closet or room shall not be used for storage purposes. Secondly, the storage battery shall be installed in a dedicated enclosure. And thirdly, the entrance to the closet or room shall be marked emergency battery enclosure. It is important to consider the following additional points. Electrical equipment rooms should be kept clear of combustible materials. Electrical equipment rooms should have proper ventilation to maintain proper operating temperatures. Electrical equipment rooms should be accessible for maintenance and repair. It is not recommended to use electrical equipment rooms as storage or offices due to safety concerns and NEC compliance requirements. The NEC clearly restricts the use of electrical rooms for storage or other non-electrical purposes. This is primarily for safety reasons and to ensure that electrical equipment can be accessed and maintained without obstruction. Electrical equipment requires adequate space for cooling, ventilation, and safe operation. Storing materials in these rooms can block ventilation, create fire hazards, and impede access for maintenance or repairs. Furthermore, using these rooms as office spaces can introduce potential distractions and hazards for personnel working on electrical equipment. The NEC provides specific guidelines for the installation and use of battery rooms, particularly for emergency power systems. These rooms must be properly ventilated to prevent the buildup of hazardous gases emitted by the batteries. The requirement for external access and clear labeling ensures that emergency personnel can quickly locate and access the batteries in case of a power outage or other emergency. While the NEC allows for some flexibility in the placement of emergency lighting batteries, it still emphasizes the importance of dedicated enclosures and clear labeling. This exception is intended to provide a practical solution for smaller installations where a dedicated battery room may not be feasible. However, the prohibition of storage in these areas remains a key safety requirement. In summary, the NEC strictly regulates the use of electrical rooms to prevent hazards and ensure the safe and reliable operation of electrical equipment. These regulations cover various aspects, including the prohibition of storage, the requirements for battery rooms, and the importance of maintaining clear and accessible spaces. Adhering to these guidelines is essential for protecting personnel and property from electrical hazards.